One of my favorite foods on the holiday table is homemade cranberry sauce. I'm Tess, and today I'm making some delicious and refreshing cranberry orange sauce. I am using a 12-ounce bag of cranberries that I have rinsed, sorted through, and drained. I picked out all the mushy cranberries and any stems that may have been attached. In a saucepan on medium heat, I have my cranberries and I'm adding in some cranberry juice, and you can use pomegranate juice or water, some freshly squeezed orange juice, and the zest. And yes, a good bit of sugar, giving everything a stir. I just love the flavor combo of cranberry and orange. The sweetness and citrus pop of the orange really balances out the tartness of the cranberries. Apples are also a nice addition to the cranberry sauce. What do you like to add to your cranberry sauce? Let me know and leave a comment below. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. If you have a chance, please check it out. I'm stirring frequently as the cranberries come up to a simmer. As the cranberries cook, they will start to pop and you will be able to hear the pop, pop, popping. The cranberries have a natural pectin that once it combines with the sugar, the sauce will form and thicken. The cranberries will take about 15 minutes to cook. The sauce will look a little runny, but it will thicken and gel up once it cools. You want to pour the cranberry sauce in a glass dish like Pyrex to cool. The mixture is piping hot and you don't want to pour this into plastic. Let the cranberry sauce completely cool to room temperature and then refrigerate. This cranberry orange sauce is great as an appetizer, side dish, snack, or dessert. Delicious and easy to make. I hope you give this homemade cranberry sauce a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!